We're back, it's new pattern time. I'm just going to dive straight in. This is pattern number, I was doing 3, but it's pattern number 4.
Yes!
We've just counted, so that's accurate. Pattern number 4, and we're here to introduce the Courtney jumpsuit.
We're in love.
I know. I've been wanting to do a jumpsuit for so long. And also we've done sort of things that are jumpsuits and dresses before.
Yeah.
We did Winona last year, but she was a very
casual jumpsuit, I'd say. We're a little bit dressed up today, I feel.
Courtney's a bit fancy.
Courtney's fancy. Courtney can be fancy.
Yes,
but
exactly
also,
that.
You know, more every day. So, we love her. She's called Courtney, which we've talked about names before. I think Courtney is a cool name for this pattern.
Definitely. You were thinking Courtney Cox.
Yes.
I was thinking Courtney Love.
Ah, there you go. Very cool,
and it
ladies.
Works for both.
For both. So, talk us through the versions.
So, we have got 2 necklines.
Which we're wearing one of each. That's handy.
So, you've got a high neckline and more of a sweetheart neckline. It's a princess seam bodice on both.
Which we love.
And then you've got a lower back on your version. We've got lots of pictures for that. And
And centre back zip.
Centre back zip.
I'm just reminding myself because we made these a while back. I'm like, what is happening here?
And then for the higher necked version, you've got, I love this back neckline.
Beautiful.
So a higher neckline at the back, and you've got
with a keyhole. And a hook and eye at the top, is it?
It is.
Lovely.
Yeah. Really nice, just a really nice line.
So lovely.
And then you've also got 2 strap options. So I've got thicker straps on, and then Alma's got these beautiful tiny rouleau straps.
Tiny!
I know,
which
so
looks
cute.
so good. And actually the official version is your neckline with the rouleaus and my neckline with the thicker straps, which is decided to shake things up.
Yeah, mix and match. You'll see from our other samples on Salma and Zoe that they've got the official ones, and we're the mixing up, matching up.
And matching.
So everything works with the bodice, everything works with everything else.
Yes.
Which is what we always try and do. And then, of course, we've got some lovely white trousers on.
So comfortable. Something I love about this jumpsuit is that it's fitted up here and then it's comfy really, down here.
Yes.
It's lovely. And we'll put pictures up because you can't see them, but we keep doing this because it's just fresh. It's what you want for summer, really.
Exactly.
It's not clinging to you.
That's it, but you've still got that nice kind of quite nipped in silhouette, which I really like. And fabric wise,
so what we're wearing is, you've got linen, which looks stunning.
Love this.
So classy.
Really nice. Doesn't matter when it creases because you're like, it's linen.
It's linen. Get over it.
Yeah, I don't have to iron it. It's linen.
I feel like I've got quite a trendy type of fabric on. So it's a block print cotton, very light cotton, so perfect for summer. Perfect for the heat. It sews up very easily, obviously.
Yes.
But we also did, I think the very first toile we did was almost like a cotton poplin.
It was, wasn't it? It was so cute.
It was really cute, and that won't see the light of day, but the weight of the fabric worked. And then we had our model Zoe in a beautiful viscose. I think it's plain viscose, a sun-washed viscose.
That's it, yes.
Classy. And then I think the last one was Salma wearing a linen, viscose linen maybe?
Viscose linen or maybe straight viscose.
Maybe straight viscose.
But it had a texture to it.
It did. This is
but slightly
we'll find
lighter.
out.
Definitely lighter than mine.
Yes.
So it really works actually in a huge range. I think you could, I've been looking for my next version at all those quilting cottons you get.
Yes. Yeah.
Because I think with the trousers, I love the strapiness, but actually with a bit of structure, these trousers are going to be great.
So great.
So there's a huge range, and you could make it in a crepe as well.
I feel like you considered a satin at one point for a really fancy one. Like wedding guest or, you know, party and occasion. That would look fantastic.
A black satin it was.
Come on.
So yes, you could go like super glam, or you could go cute floral cotton every day.
And for those, actually, some pattern insiders were talking about making shorts, shorty versions. So imagine a quilting cotton one in shorts, adorable.
Very
cute, very summery. Sur la plage. Let's go to the beach and play with the giant ball. That kind of vibe.
Yeah,
exactly. But yes, she's very, very versatile. Now, what makes her also very versatile is that it has a pocket. Inseam pockets, which I feel to defend the pockets at all time. You don't need to put them in, but the trousers are roomy enough that it's not gonna show
it's
off.
not
gonna ruin the line, which is what people are worried for. I am not, but it definitely won't ruin the line of this one. And any other details? Oh, it's lined. Am I correct? Fully lined.
It's fully lined.
What kind of level is the pattern?
So officially, it's intermediate.
Okay.
And that's because you've got the rouleau straps.
These are fiddly, I'm not going to lie. They're fiddly, yeah.
And you kind of get the payoff with the lovely delicate straps. And you've also got an invisible zip in the back, which if you've not sewn that before, that's a certain skill. But to be honest, if you choose an easy fabric, if you choose a cotton, something really stable, and you maybe go for the wider strap, so you could have either bodice with the wider strap, then I'd say it's on confident beginner.
Yeah, I reckon
we just can't promise it's going to be easier than it is, so we have to pop it a little level above.
However, we also do have some help and stitch core, more on the fitting side rather.
Yes.
Well, we do have a class on rouleau.
Yeah, we do.
Actually, so that we'll link to that tutorial below. And we've got some new tutorials that are all about fitting. What are we focusing on?
Well, because we already have bust adjustments for princess seams.
Princess seams, that's true.
That's already on Stitch School, so we decided to focus on the bottom half for this one. So we've actually gone for, we had a customer on YouTube left us a comment about saying, oh, I feel like lots of things are made for hourglasses.
Yes.
What if your shape is slightly different? And of course we want everyone to be able to make everything. And I am not an hourglass, so I was happy to take on these challenges. So we've done adjustments for a flat seat, so if you want to take a little bit out of the bum area, and also for a full tummy adjustment, so adding a little bit in here.
Which we do have a class of full tummy adjustments, but with a waistband, whereas this is Sun's waistband, right?
Yeah, with,
so that's the difference.
With a fly.
With a fly, sorry, not a waistband. That's
so it is a slightly different adjustment. But also what's really handy is that they then apply to the majority of trousers that you're going to make.
Ultimate trousers?
Yes, perfect for the ultimate trousers. Perfect for carry, culottes, all of those sort of things.
Yeah, great.
So hopefully there's something that will be quite useful
and
across the board.
Exactly. Yeah. And of course, we also have a class, I think from last year maybe even longer, that is all about fitting jumpsuits. So that applies here. So if you're a premium Stitch School subscriber, you've got access to all of those already. If you're not, you can just go in and buy the individual ones that you're interested in, or subscribe, because it's the best deal, to be honest. So we've talked levels. Oh, sizes. It's in a full range of sizes, 6 to 30. The hashtag is SOI Courtney Jumpsuit, and we'll put it somewhere on the screen. So do go and check, because our Pattern Insiders hopefully will be sharing their versions very soon, and we'll be sharing lots of fun pictures from the shoot. So you can find that through that, and you can share, of course, your version once it's ready. And the last thing that we should tell you about is
kits. Well, yeah, we've got some brand new kits. We have got three
different fabrics,
choices.
Beautiful. One is the one that Salma wore, right?
Yes.
So from the sample, because we loved it so much.
Salma loved it so much that we let her take it home.
We did.
Because
we don't always do, but we're like, this suits you so much. But always a good sign if the model wants to take it home.
Definitely.
We love that. But yeah, so the kits will have everything you need, and in case you don't know, because not everyone does this, when you buy one of our kits, so a physical kit, you also get access to the digital PDF file to keep forever.
That's it. So yeah, you can find that in your account on the website. And then when you want to make another one, or a different size, or a different version, you just hover us up, get us to print it out for you.
So that's pretty handy, isn't it? So this is the Courtney jumpsuit. We love her. We hope you do too. We can't wait to see what you make. And any parting words, Rosie?
No, I just love her.
Just love her.
Yeah, we really hope you guys love Courtney as well. And as always, as Alma said, your versions are the best things. That's what we love to see. So we hope you see some popping up soon.
See you again very soon. Bye.